Hello traders, how are we? Trader Tom here from Simply Forex, the channel created to help you conquer the market. Today is Tuesday, the 26th of March. And as always, guys, we're going to start by looking back at yesterday's trades. But if you stay till the end of the vid, I'm also going to give you my trade ideas for today and the important news as well. Let's do this. So let's start with the trade that I took. All right, and I took New Zealand US dollar and I'm selling it. I'm still selling it today. All right, and why are we selling it? Well, basically, guys, we are in a downtrend. Okay, tick. Yeah, we had bearish candles. Tick. Yeah, we broke an important area of support and resistance. Tick. Yeah, we broke that level. And if I zoom out, you can see where my target is. We've still got plenty of room. I like this free air, to move into. All right, so this is important as well. So yeah, lots of reason to like it, guys. If we drop down to the H1 now, and it was just a simple bearish reaction on the H1. Yeah, so if we just track H1 structure, okay, this is where we're at. Okay, we got this nice big bearish candle here. I entered here, put my stop above. I was going to put it above this high, but there was also this high here, so I decided to put it above that high as well. So my stop's up here, and the idea was to, take price lower. As you can see, I'm still in this trade. Yeah, it hasn't hit target. But, again, this level through here is important, and it hasn't broken this level yet, or even this high here. Okay, if it starts breaking out of this gray zone, I'm wrong, and I'm, not interested in this trade today. If it breaks out of here, I'll probably make it up to here, and then I'll become interested again. All right, so that's the trade I'm in. Let's see how it plays out today. This is still a trade idea for today. And yesterday, guys, was all about New Zealand dollar weakness. And the in hindsight, the best trade from yesterday was Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, right? And let's explain why. So again, New Zealand dollar weakness. Yeah, so we wanted to buy Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, right? It's in a super duper bullish, super bullish trend. Look at that. That is in a super bullish trend. We're getting very bullish candles. Yeah, even this one is super bullish because of that wick. Yeah, we're getting super bullish candles. And the idea was to take it up to the next psychological level, is 0900. And that's exactly what happened, right? If we drop, and we were speaking about this in the VIP Discord, which we are giving to you for free at the moment. Check it out. So if we look at the H4, it was more of a H1 play, actually, guys. So let's look at the H1. Now, let's get rid of all that other price action. We had this level through here that we were interested in. Okay, and if we look at H1 structure, this was the last low. And look how price reacted at that last low. Yeah, we had a very nice bullish H1 candle. Okay, if we now zoom across, you can see, if you had entered here, put your stop below here, you'd be nicely in profit, and you would have taken, maybe even 100% of your profit here, if not 80%, and leave 20% to run. All right, so this was a really nice trade, guys. Like I say, in hindsight, Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar was better than New Zealand US dollar, but hindsight is not a thing we have in trading. Hindsight, you may as well, throw out of the window. We don't have it. But nice trade is the point. Yeah, it was a good trade. And then we was also looking at Euro New Zealand, Pound New Zealand. So if we just take a quick look at those as well, and this was still a play on this New Zealand weakness. This is Euro New Zealand. You can see we were in, let's call that we were in an uptrend. Okay, check. Bullish candle, check. room to move into, check, broke these highs, check, lots of things to like. If we drop down to the H1, for me, H1 structure never really broke. Yeah, so again, I've just, a lot of my entries have been on the H1, guys, right? When we see this candle here, that is a break of H1 lows for me. Okay, and then I just want to see H1 build up again, which it does, but we never really get a break of these highs in here. Yeah, it sort of just stutters at this level and then drops down again. Okay, so yeah, we didn't really get the clear structure break or a clear H1 direction. If we look at the H4, again, you're getting quite a mixed bag of candles here. Look at these candles here. Yeah, you're getting like bearish, bullish, and it still doesn't break this high. And now it's sort of bearish again. All right, so it wasn't easy to trade Euro New Zealand. And then the last one, guys, was Pound New Zealand. If we look at the day chart, very similar reasons. Yeah, well, I want to say all of my trades are going to be similar reasons. Yeah, they look for this, they look for structure, right? They look for candlesticks, so structure, tick, right? Bouncing off of this. Yeah, if we zoom out, you can see there's an area of support through here. Okay, bounced off support, tick, bullish candle, tick, and we were just trying to take price higher. If we drop down to the H1, this did have a clear break, right? And, this is still a nice level right now, to be quite frank with you. Because if we follow H1 structure, as I pointed out in the morning, I was looking for a break of these highs. And we got it with this candle right here. So you could have entered here, put your stop below here, or even here if you want to be super safe. Yeah, and you would still be in this trade. Okay. And you're still with H1 structure. Yeah, it's important to see what this candle does, but it's holding on to these lows here. Okay, and we know this is a nice level. So this could be a nice level for buys. But like I said, I took New Zealand US dollar. And those were the trades from yesterday, guys. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoy receiving my trade ideas and analysis every single day, then please come join the channel. We'd love to have you. Subscribe to the channel right now, smash that notification button, and if everyone could please smash the like button. Guys, who likes my background today? Please leave a thumbs up or a thumb down if you like it or don't like it. Yeah. Right, trades for Tuesday the 26th of March. Before I get started, guys, let me just mention a couple of things. If you haven't joined our trading community, then please do so. Like-minded traders sharing knowledge, ideas, experiences. You can learn from one another. Come join our free Discord. It's super simple. Just create a username. We let you in. That simple. Also, right now, guys, we are giving away free VIP Trading Academy. This is where I put all of my trade signals, all of my tutorials, and you get direct access to me. Okay, and you can have that for free right now. So check that out as well. Also, guys, if you would like to show your support for the channel, you can become a Simply Forex YouTube member, and there's loads of perks for doing so. All right, so check all of those things out. They're all in the video description. Okay, trades for today then. We're looking at US dollar, right? This is the dollar index. So we're looking at this because if you trade any major pair, Euro US dollar, Pound US dollar, Aussie dollar US dollar CAD, any of those, you need to keep an eye on the dollar index. This is a very good, chart to understand what the dollar is going to do. Now, if we look at the dollar index, yeah, and as I always prattle on about, just follow structure. Yeah, all the clues are in the structure, right? Now, if we look at the structure here, this is where we're at, right? So we are in an uptrend, higher lows, higher highs. Okay, so that is suggesting US dollar strength. All right. Now, if we zoom in a little bit, you can also see that this bullish candle has broken these highs, and it's in a nice zone, yeah, a support and resistance zone to push up to the next high, right? So at the very least, looking at the dollar index, we have US dollar strength up to here, right? That's what the dollar index is telling me. If we zoom out, it could carry on, a touch here, and carry on up. But at the very least, yeah, there's a high probability that the dollar index is going to reach this last high, okay? And this psychological level of 104.50. So US dollar strength to here. Bearing that in mind, I'm looking at a lot of US dollar pairs, and I have my favorite US dollar pair, which I will share with you. But if you look at any of these, yeah, so I like Euro US dollar, right? We're in a downtrend, and we're literally back at, what was once support, could be resistance, and we take it back down, right? But we are at a support level. Okay, so this didn't make, my top trades for today. If we look at Aussie dollar US dollar, right? This is a nice sell. Okay, as well, right? We're in a downtrend. We've got, lower highs. Well, probably the same, but lower lows, right? And there's room to keep moving into. Okay, but again, we've come to this last low. What else are we looking at? Pound US dollar, right? I like all of these trades for US dollar strength. Pound US dollar, yeah, this was almost a trade idea. Okay, so if we look at this, yeah, we're in a downtrend, yeah, lower lows, lower highs. Yeah, that's it. That's the definition of a downtrend. Okay, and we've got room to keep moving into back down to this level or even this level, right? US dollar strength. Also like US dollar Swiss franc. Yeah, if we look at this, I didn't like the candle a couple of days ago, but yesterday's candle was bullish. Again, yeah, if we look at structure, bang, right? In an uptrend, we've got a bullish candle form yesterday, we could take it higher. But again, it's this candle that puts me off a little bit. So, you can see this US dollar strength reflected across the US dollar majors, right? And the dollar index helps us with analyzing that as well. Now, surprise, surprise, the trade I do like for today is New Zealand US dollar, right? Because why do I like this one the most? Because this has room to move into. Yeah, a lot of the others were at lows or at resistance or support. This isn't. Yeah, this is, as soon as it's broken this level, it is in free air. Yeah, there's no resistance really until, we get down to this psychological level. In fact, let's have a look. Yeah, you can see, if I get my big head out of the way, there's probably no real resistance until this level in here. Yeah, you can see all this, support. There's no real support until here. Yeah, so we've got a lot of room to move into. Okay, so my first trade idea for today is New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. And again, just to reiterate, follow structure. Yeah, we're in a downtrend. Lower highs, lower lows. Yeah, this is a low as well. Lower lows. Okay, bearish candles, bearish, bearish. If we zoom into yesterday's candle, I know it's a green candle, guys. Yeah, I can see that. I'm not colorblind. But look, we've got a top wick, and it's not exactly buyers are taking control. Look at this candle. Yes, sellers are still firmly in control here. Okay, so still looking for sells. All right, if we drop down to the H1, yeah, there's almost a level within a level here. So let me put that in. Right, you can see these last H1 highs through here. Okay, we want these to hold, which they are. My big head is in the way. I apologize. I'm trying to show off my new background and made it humongous, but it's made my head humongous. Anyway, so yeah, look, just overnight, nothing. and then this is where we're at. So this level is proving an important level. We want to see this hold and then price come lower. I'm already in this trade, but I will add to this. What I might do is, wait for a break of this low, because then that confirms the H1 structure to me as well. And then I could add to my trade. Okay, so we can trade it from here, bearish candle, we trade it, we sell it, or we wait for a H1 structure break at these lows, and then we start trading it as well. All right, so that's my first trade idea. And I've only have one other trade idea for today, and that is Euro New Zealand. Okay, I was still interested in Aussie dollar New Zealand buys, but again, there wasn't much room to move into. Whereas Euro New Zealand, there is. So let me explain. So in terms of the trade ideas from yesterday, it's still this New Zealand dollar weakness, right? And Euro New Zealand is exactly the same. So if we just follow structure, guys, yeah, we're in this uptrend. Say that's a low. Okay, we're in an uptrend. Okay, we're seeing bullish candle, bullish candle. Why do I like this bullish candle? Because the body of it broke this last high. That is momentum. That is a continuation of trend and momentum. Okay, and if I zoom out, I have quite a conservative target, really. I want to see it come to this, 8,1,000 level, but it could quite easily come up to this 8,2,000 level. Yeah, there's obviously an area here as well. But yeah, looking for buys. If we drop down to the H4, yeah, this might become a bit of a H4 trade. All right, you can see this level through here where price is reacting. Now, if price, we're getting some bearish candles here. So if price pushes back down to this level, catches up with the moving average 20, yeah, this is a really nice area. We've got double whammy support. We get a bullish reaction, and then we can start buying from here. So that's a H4 play. Got to be careful how you say that. And then the H1 for me is, there is a bullish candle right here, but H1 is kind of breaking down, really. Yeah, there's this low here. So like I say, it may just become a H4 play. All right, but we're looking to buy Euro New Zealand. And when I enter, what price I enter, my target, my stop loss, everything I put in the VIP Trading Academy, which we are giving you free access to right now. So check the promotion out. All right, guys, let's take a look at the news now. So news for Tuesday, the 26th of March. So you probably won't be awake, but at 5 o'clock, London GMT, all of these times, at London GMT, we had CPI coming out of Japan. So this will be important, guys, must be aware of this. If we carry on down, the next piece of big news we're interested in is this. At 12:30, we've got durable good orders coming out of the US, so that could move any US dollar pairs. And then after that, guys, if we carry on down at 2 o'clock, London GMT, we've got CB consumer confidence again coming out of the US. And that's it, guys. They're the only two bits of news, and that's all we need to be aware of. So you are quite free to trade today. Guys, don't forget to join me for the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Get all your questions ready for me, and I'll see you then. See you later, guys.